guys, welcome to Ana and Elsa's house. We are Arendelle's princesses, and welcome to
our unboxing video for this time. So I've heard through the grapevine that this unboxing video is going to take us to Scandinavia. So we are looking at Norway and Sweden on the globe.
If you guys didn't wonder, I have eyeshadow on and you can't really see it, don't you? And I have this pretty lipstick on.
And I don't really have a Norwegian outfit, so
Yeah.
I went with a sort of Bavarian outfit.
Yeah.
We did the best we could.
So-
We're in quarantine, people.
And we're going to do another unboxing video.
So here we go.
So
we're going to actually cut open the seal right here
Uh-huh.
on the show.
Yeah, not like we did with the first unboxing video, but the second one with the caterpillars we did.
Oh, and we also have
Elsa.
Anna's over there, so just know she's here too.
Seriously?
Okay, so let's see what we've got. Again, as normal, we have got a lovely map of the countries we're talking about. We are looking at Norway, Sweden, and Finland. So
I'm gonna say we're gonna start.
We're gonna start with this. We have our lovely little book that tells about our different treats. So let's see what this one's called.
in the first one.
Okay, this is kind of odd, but our first snack is called American Grill Kim's. Yes.
What?
So let's see what it says about it.
I know Elsa doesn't do that, but
I don't think she does.
it's me.
Okay.
It's me, Mulet.
It says, we'll be totally honest with you. We have no idea why these chips are hugely popular in Norway. They are marketed as American Grill flavor. For one thing, this combination of spices, onion, tomato, paprika, and chili pepper isn't especially popular or typically used for grilling in the U.S., nor are the spices unique to America. So what we can't explain, however, is why these chips are so beloved. Just take one bite. Once you've experienced the spicy kick and incredible crunch, you'll be wishing your barbecue tasted more like this.
Anna.
Elsa, are you ready to try the chips?
Oh, yeah.
Norway. This is where we're from, so obviously we know about these. And whoa, it smells like a barbecue in a bag.
Oh, my Lord.
All right, I think you should be the guinea pig right now, since you are the queen of Arendelle.
You start.
You want the princess to try first?
You start. Good.
Very good. What are your thoughts? Very salty, which is good.
Yeah.
Um,
Kind of like a little bit pepperish kind of stuff.
I mean, they're good.
Yeah.
They taste like, you can't like really select the flavor of Lay's that they really taste like, but similar.
Really good.
Yeah, I recommend them. Okay, going to our second type of chip. Kim's Original Snack Chips. Love or spices? That's the question many Danes faced in the 19th century. Due to their extensive travels, Danish spice traders often remained unmarried, earning the nickname Pepper Dudes, aka bachelors.
Pepper dudes?
Pepper Dudes. You wish that was your name? Pepper Dude?
No.
Today, this is a bit of history that spawned a spicy modern tradition. If a Dane is single on their 25th birthday, their friends tie them up and coat them with cinnamon. Hey, let's get this started in America.
Yeah, we love cinnamon.
Just like Grandma used to make.
Yep.
Yes. Okay.
I'm Mommy's mom. Grandma.
You ready to give Grandma a shout out? Say hi, Grams.
Oh my.
What do you think about it? I think you should be the first one. All right, Queen Elsa.
We're really good. Try one.
You like them?
Really good. Not really like cinnamony kind of stuff. Not really cinnamony.
I wish I could read what these have in them. They taste kind of ricey to
They
me.
don't like have cinnamon in them.
No, they're not sweet. They're definitely savory,
Cookies.
but they're good.
Cookies. Okay, this is our next one.
All right, so we're gonna actually get into the yum bag, which is our little bag of treats. So
Yep.
let's see what we have in here. Oh my goodness, I think the rest is all sweets.
Yep.
Oh wow,
One,
those are big
2,
honkers.
3. I'm gonna start with this one.
All right, let's see what it is. Hold up. Ooh, this is gingerbread toffee.
You want to try right now?
When it comes to gingerbread, the U.S. and
gonna
Sweden have a lot in common.
This
Swedish
smells
gingerbread, known as something that I can't pronounce, is a traditional holiday treat.
It smells so good.
It does. Okay.
Okay, I'm trying mine right now.
This is what we look like.
Oh, that's really good.
Tasty? Very sticky.
I can't gotta get it.
Oh, it's really good. It's like Christmas.
And
In a
gingery.
toffee.
And gingery. I think I'm gonna have to eat this all day.
It's very chewy. But it seriously is like Christmas and a little piece of candy. I'm really liking it. Wow. Apparently, Swedish people also made gingerbread houses, just like we do here. Why aren't these here? These are great.
I got
Big props on that.
Yeah, why aren't these here? They're great. These things are killed for.
The next one, these guys, is cookie dough praline. Yeah. Why don't you work on what's in your mouth first? It looks like a giant chocolate
Ball.
ball.
It's like a really.
Let's see what it says about it while you're working on that gingerbread candy. What if there was a candy shop that could satisfy your wildest cravings? Well, there is in Sweden. At 37,000 square feet, Gottenbitten is one of the world's largest candy shops, filled with over 4,000 unique sweets. Eucalyptus chews? They got 'em. Turkish pepper caramels? You bet. A chocolate ball filled with cookie dough exactly like the kind you love licking from the spoon? It's yours. This is a cookie dough chocolate ball, which I'm kind of concerned about. I know I'm weird. I'm the one person on the planet that doesn't like cookie dough.
I'm gonna try it first.
It's strange, but
Try it.
Okay,
Try
do you want me to give it a shot? Here goes. Cheers to you, viewers.
Let me see what it looks like inside. Is it good?
It doesn't taste like cookie dough. It's good. It almost, and it's hard to tell because I just ate that gingerbread candy, but it almost has a little bit of a gingerbreadiness about it. And it's kind of like a uniform color in there.
Oh, that's really good.
What do you think about it?
See, there's like some dripping on side.
No! Get it. Okay. It definitely has got a gingeryness to it. It kind of reminds me of Trader Joe's cookie butter inside. Not exact, but very similar. Pretty good. I would eat that again.
Me too.
Both of those guys were really good. All right, what's next? Oh, snap. Let's see what this is. Chocolate oat cookies with cocoa filling. So these come from Denmark. Interesting. I'm excited. Basically, came from a lady named Karen Wolf. She was born in a tiny village in Denmark. As a teen, she worked as a kitchen manager, developed her skills, and by 26, she had opened her own bakery. This is one of the treats that she made that she became famous for. So yeah, I don't know if you could see it, but this is kind of what we're
I can see it.
about to dive into here.
Okay.
I have to say, a big enjoyment in these boxes is not being able to read any of the caloric information. It makes me feel better about life.
But it's actually really good.
No ingredients. Let's see what you think, Smith.
Wait. Just one more time.
Let's show her. Oh, they look really good.
Oh, yeah.
So, little tray of cookies. All right, you grab one. I'll grab one. Are they double? Like
Yeah.
two? Okay. Here we go. We'll check it out.
You like it?
I like it.
I didn't really like it.
It is not very sweet. So sit it right here. Which is probably why she's not a big fan, but I actually really like it. It is super crispy and crunchy, but just super mild in the sweetness department.
And this is what
Hey,
we
just
are
hold on,
trying
hold on.
next.
I actually really, I think this would be really good dipped in milk. Ooh, or take s'mores with it or something. Oh yeah.
I'm going to take milk with it because I love milk with cookies. Yeah.
That's really good.
I think so. And
Okay.
This is what I'm talking about when we were trying next.
Okay. Drummer. Probably not saying any of these things right. I'm trying.
Yeah, me too.
It means dream in Icelandic. And you thought we were being dramatic. As you're about to discover, the dreaminess of the Drummer bar goes far beyond its name. It's silky milk chocolate and salty sweet Krispies. Will make you feel like you're floating on fluffy cocoa clouds, basking in the warmth of a caramel sun. Kind of dramatic. But let's see if it lives up to the hype. Again, here's our bar. Okay. No, I'm not excited about the last thing I just saw it.
What was it?
I'm worried.
What is it, Mama?
We'll get into it in a
What's
minute.
the last thing?
I feel like we should maybe save this so we have something good to eat after.
What is this?
Just hold on. Okay.
Ooh, it's so squishy. That's why you don't really like it, huh?
All right, here's a square for you. Square for me.
Oh. That's good, baby.
It's pretty good. Man, it's very, very... Hey, they know their milk chocolate. It is good. Super smooth. It's tasty. Really, really smooth and silky.
I think I could eat this all day long.
You can taste the caramel and the little crispy puffs. It's really good.
I don't really can taste like the caramel.
So we're probably going to need to pick a good tasting thing to come back to after this last item. Apparently, in Finland, Salty licorice is a national treasure. I'm not excited. I hate licorice.
I love licorice.
Have you ever even had black licorice? That is what this is.
I didn't eat black licorice.
It's not good.
But I ate red licorice.
Listen, red licorice and black licorice are two different things. Locals refer to it as black gold. There's something wrong with the people of Finland. I just don't even know. Okay. And yet tourists often wind up spitting it out.
Ew.
What makes the sweet so divisive? It's made with ammonium chloride, which is so salty. It was once used as a medicine to clear stuffy noses.
Oh.
So maybe this will help clear any coronavirus out. Maybe? Okay, let's see what we can do. You guys might see me gag. I'm worried. There's not many foods I don't dig, but this is one of them.
What? Can I smell it? Funny smell.
I'm not excited.
Ooh, that's pretty good.
I think that the queen should take the lead here because sacrifice for your sister. This is true love. True love's gonna clear the frozen heart.
Okay.
Sacrifice yourself for me, Elsa.
Salty. It's really salty. Not really licorice.
When you think about it. It smells so bad.
It smells so good.
Ah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, guess what? This is going to be for you, my dear. I will try anything once, so here goes. Oh, it's so bad.
I want to throw up.
Oh, I gotta get your. Oh, good. Oh. Oh, Neelan, it keeps going. Oh, is there a paper towel? I gotta wipe it up.
I need some water.
I need a paper towel.
Water.
Ah. Ugh.
Okay, guys, that was terrible.
I literally just had to wipe down the inside of my mouth with a paper towel. It's so bad. It's so bad. Don't ever go to Finland. Just don't do it. Oh.
If you're gonna,
All right, let's get something.
if you're gonna eat this, it's terrible.
Oh, it's so bad. You guys you don't know. I'm gonna be gun shy about these boxes from here on out.
So that one was terrible. And we're gonna have to wait for
Okay.
another 30 weeks. 30
days.
days.
Okay, so let's rate the things that we had. Worst in the box, right here.
Yeah.
No questions asked.
We're gonna throw this away.
Or give it to somebody as a gift.
I think we're gonna throw it away. No one will
Okay.
like it.
So I'd say my favorite thing that I had was the cookie dough praline.
Uh-huh.
Very similar to cookie butter, of which I'm a huge fan.
I love this thing, but you get.
All right, so what was that your favorite thing?
Yes.
What was your second favorite thing?
This.
It was pretty good. It's chocolate
But
bar.
this is my last favorite thing.
I think we got it. Yeah, we don't even. Let's just put it to bed. Doesn't need to be known about anymore. And the chips were good. And the little gingerbread candy was good.
Okay.
I definitely would highly recommend the cookie dough praline.
And again, it is at that state.
Country. It's in. We're working on geography. Homeschooling is hard, but we're
Homeschooling,
learning.
terrible. But only when
Norway,
I-
Sweden, and Finland. When I was in geography, I remembered it their order by remembering no Swedish fish. Don't ask why. It worked for me. Haven't
Yeah.
forgotten ever. Okay, I think they got it. They got it. We're good. Anyways,
Seriously, Mama.
we will see you guys later.
Anna.
Princess Anna, Princess
But she's
Elsa.
my mama. Dressed up like Anna, and I'm dressed up like Elsa. My name is Neelan, by the way.
It's true.
Yep.
But we're gonna have to jump off of here.
Yep.
We have to do some work in Arendelle.
Yep.
Royal duties they call. Probably first duty is to declare war on Finland because clearly they're crazy.
Yeah, and we know